Hi, my name is Hari Krishnan Parambuvitil. So we are going to talk about uh, assignment 2, social data mining, big data analytics. So the assignment is about scraping the data from social media and also posting the data to social media. And here we are using Twitter and Reddit. So in the assignment, we will talk about some common facts about Twitter and Reddit, and also the technologies used in this assignment, also the code of front end as well as the back end. And at the end of the presentation, there will be a live demo of the assignment. So about Twitter. Twitter is created in 2006 and it has 145 million daily users. So um, and 83% of the leaders are communicating through Twitters. That includes Barack Obama, who has the most number of followers in Twitter, and also it consists of that list consists of Narendra Modi and Taylor Swift, Donald Trump. And people like that. So it's a very important platform in the current uh, world. So about Reddit, um, Reddit is um, it has 52 million daily active users, and it has 2 billion comments. Reddit is more about sharing the knowledge, where Twitter is about sharing the news. So Twitter has 145 million daily users, and Reddit has just about 52 million daily users. So uh, a major part of Reddit's users are between a 25 to 29 age group. So that's a young set of users. And coming to the assignment, we are using React.js as the front end. From to the React.js interface, the users will be interacting to, and um, React JS frontend is communicating with Flask backend. Flask is a framework of Python, and React is a framework of JavaScript. So, with the help of libraries called Pro and TweetPy, Flask will be communicating with Reddit and Twitter respectively. And the data from Reddit and Twitter is written to Flask server, and this Flask server will be storing that data to MongoDB. So that is the structure of the project. And coming to the backend, um, we are using data models like this. We are storing created at the time of the tweet created, and the full text of the tweet, likes of the tweet, source URL, and source of the tweet. And in the case of Reddit, we are storing the URL, score, comments, text. Text means the full text of the tweet, Reddit post, and the title of the Reddit post. We are also having an ID, so 5 points from each social media. And in the code, the connection to these platforms are an integral part. So we are connecting to MongoDB Atlas using a connection string which consists of username and password. And in the case of Twitter, we are connecting with API key, API secret, access token, and access secret. So that we are getting from the Twitter developer account. Um, and we are using auth handler function and set access token functions uh, of TweetPy library. We are using this TweetPy library for connect to this Twitter, and in the case of Reddit, we are using Pro library, and we are using the credentials like client ID, client secret, user agent, and username and password. So that's about the connection. And about the code, in the case of Twitter, we are using two main functions, which is post tweet. In post tweet, we are using update status function of TweetPy library to post the tweet, and we are getting the request from the client with the parameters, and we are passing the parameters to TweetPy update status function to post the tweet. And in the case of getting tweet, we are getting the tweet using user timeline. We are getting all the tweets from a user timeline using this function. So um, that's about it. um, and this is the created at So these are the five things that we are fetching from the data. And in the case of Reddit also, we are connecting and we are using um, pro functions like subreddit and submit to um, post a post to the subreddit, to a subreddit, and also we are getting the um, data from a subreddit, all the posts from a subreddit using this URL. This is basically an API call hit. So that's about the backend code of Reddit. So about storing in MongoDB, we have two documents called Reddit and tweets in MongoDB, and we are having this objects, like we are storing these objects with all the data points that we mentioned in the earlier slide. So in the case of front end, we are interacting with the user using a form. A form has many. In the case of Twitter, we are only using one text box and a button. And when the button is clicked, the data in the text box is sent to the server, and um, we are using a library called Axios for posting the data to the server. Um, and also in the case of Reddit, we are using two input text inputs and a button. And when we click the button, it called post Reddit. That post Reddit posts the function to post the data to the server, and server is handling this data, and server is sending the data to the Twitter APIs using the libraries that I mentioned earlier. So in the case of user interface, this is the user interface for Twitter. And when we click this Reddit button, we will be going to the user interface for Reddit. And in Reddit, we accept the title and text. In the case of Twitter, we only accept the tweet. And coming to the live demo, so we have this database DM assignment 2 ASS2 DB, and Reddit and tweet document. It is currently empty. We are just updating. It's empty. Reddit is empty, and also the tweet is empty. Tweets is empty. So this is our user interface. In the case of Twitter, we are posting the tweet. This is a live tweet from assignment to recording, and we are posting it. So we are checking whether it is there or not, just refreshing it. So before 8 seconds, this is a live tweet from assignment 2 recording, and before 1 hour recording that I was just testing with the Twitter and this APIs, and this is just before 8 seconds. So we will go back to the interface and test with Reddit. Recording assignment 2 for the second time. This is taking a lot of time. Okay, so posting it. And in the case of Reddit, we are just refreshing this. So yeah, this is taking a lot of time. Recording assignment 2, it is just now. This is 1 hour ago, the last one. Okay. So this is there, so we have to check whether it is there in the database. So the databases were empty, so we will just refresh. Yeah, so in the case of tweets, it is there. This is a live tweet from assignment 2. Yeah, it is there, and the time is almost correct. And all the 5 inputs are here. In the case of Reddit, assignment 2 is second time. Yes, this is taking a lot of time, so that is it. Good. This are here, and we are going back to the code. So first of all, there is a home. So this is the structure. There is a home, and there is a Reddit file and a Twitter file. So in the home file, we are calling this Reddit file and Twitter file. In the case of Twitter, uh, we are having a form. In the form, when the user clicks the clicks the post your tweet button, the post tweet function is invoked. In the post tweet function, the Axios is called with all the configuration to the server. So in the case of Reddit also, there will be two, like for title and for text, there are two input text inputs, and also when we click it, post Reddit function is called. So yeah, and in the server we are connecting to MongoDB using PyMongo, and PyMongo is imported. With the PyMongo, this is connected to the MongoDB, and client is accessing this MongoDB endpoint. We are using this tweets doc and Reddit doc, and when the tweet when the client is called the tweet function using Axios, the tweet function is invoked, and the post the tweet is post using update status, and get tweets is called. Get tweets fetches all the tweets of that account using all the credentials and everything, and the fetched data is stored to tweet docs using insert one functions of PyMongo. This is a function of PyMongo. And also in the case of Reddit, when the data from this client, when the request from client is accepted here, and the data consists of title and text. So this is submitted using self-text. The text, self-text and title is submitted using the function, and get Reddit function is called. This function is fetching all the posts from that subreddit and saving it to in a loop. It is saving it to this MongoDB. So insert one is MongoDB function. So in the loop, it is getting each post and saving that to the MongoDB server. So that's how it works. And here we can see the server is currently running. Like that also in the client also we can see the client is running. We will just check whether the server is running. Here I have already taken, this is the URL. The URL is specified here. So note here that's this thing. In the Axios we will yeah, this is the URL, and post Reddit is there. So in the Axios it is we will check whether it is running in the correct port. So it is running. If it is running, it is coded to output that, like if the function is running in the server, there is a test thing in the default URL. There is a test thing. This should be running there. So exactly that is running here. So client, server, and MongoDB with database and documents are running fine, and also posting is working good. And I have created a subreddit called data mining bdat 2021 for this thing. So so that is all running here. So we will go back to the slides, and that's all about it. Thank you very much.